Hey guys, we are in the Q&A section and this will be question number 2. And the question is about Craton, as one of our viewer is asking about the Craton, especially about the Indian Craton. We will see what is a Craton and we will also give a generalized outline about the Indian Craton. And for this topic, I referred the book The Plate Tectonics and Crustal Evolution by Ken Sekonde, and this bar graph is from that book, which shows the area as well as volume distribution of the major crustal type. As you can see here in the bar graph, there are platforms that is covering larger volume, and there are also oceanic basin which is covering the larger area, and there are Paleozoic orogenic areas followed by Mesozoic orogenic areas, and there are shields, oceanic rise, etc. So this is what the generalized distribution of major crustal type. In this, if you see the platforms are stable part of the crust with little relief. They are composed of Precambrian basement similar to that exposed in the shields and are overlain by 1 to 3 kilometer of relatively undeformed sedimentary rocks. As you know, the shields or the Precambrian rock that is exposed on the surface. If this shield is having a sedimentary cover, then it will be called as a platform. Is that clear? So the shield as well as the Precambrian basement of the platform are collectively referred as the craton. So the craton is a term that is referring the Precambrian portion of the continent, whether it could be a shield or the Precambrian portion of the platform. So this is what the craton is. And the craton is generally considered as an isostatically positive portion of the continent that is tectonically stable relative to the adjacent mobile belt. The sedimentary rock on the platform may range in the age from Precambrian to Cenozoic and can reach up to a thickness of 5 kilometers. So the platform sediment will be having a age range from Precambrian to Cenozoic, and it is actually adjacent to a mobile belt. So the linear to curvilinear crustal province that have undergone numerous episodes of deformation and metamorphism are referred as the mobile belt that is adjacent to the craton. Okay. So the undeformed sediment that is over the shield is called as the platform, and the overly deformed sediment that is adjacent to a craton is called as the mobile belt. Is that clear? So we have seen four terms, that is the platform, the shield, the craton and the mobile belt. Okay, is that clear? So we'll go with the Indian context, and this map shows the different cratons and mobile belts of the India, which is from the Geology of India by M. Ramakrishnan and R. Vaidyanathan, that is from volume number 1. And this book is published by GSI, that is the Geological Survey of India. So the Indian shield is a mosaic of cratons and wellbelts. The cratons are the broad central area of continent that have remained tectonically stable for a prolonged period, and they are affected only by a younger epirogenic movement. This is what a somewhat addition to the previously defined. And they are isostatically positive area dominated by Precambrian crystalline rocks that are overlain by the younger rocks. Okay, so this is what the definition of the craton from this book. And the mobile belt or the curvilinear high grade gneiss granulate belt that surrounding the cratons, and they are mostly proterozoic in age and are characterized by lithological association of QCP shoot, that is quartzite carbonate pellite shoot. And this definition will be covering in the Indian context. For the other portion it may or may not cover, right? So the concept of various proto-continental forming the Indian shield was adopted by Pichamuthu 1970 and Yakub in 1974. So this concept is explained here, that is the Indian shield is a mosaic of cratons and mobile belt. So according to this concept, the Pangea, that is the supercontinent that is formed. In before that, there is a protocontinent, that is there are so many small continents that have joined together to form the supercontinent, that is the Pangea. So this is what the earlier concept about the formation of this cratons and mobile belt as a mosaic. And this concept is supported by the isotopic dating that is done by Holmes in 1955. So according to that, the present tectonic division of Indian shield consists of five major Archean craton, that is Dharwar, Bastar, Singhbum, Bandalkand and Aravalli. So these are the five major cratons, and there are also three dominant Proterozoic mobile belts, and they are the Eastern Ghat mobile belt. This is the Eastern Ghat mobile that is fringing the Dharwar Craton. So these are the two Dharwar Craton, that is the East and the West Dharwar Craton. Then there is the Bastar Craton and there is the Singhbum Craton. So adjacent to these three cratons, there is a mobile belt, that is the Eastern Ghat mobile belt, and there is a Pandian mobile belt that is fringing the Garhwal craton, that is both east and west, and there is Satpura mobile belt, this is the Satpura mobile belt that is fringing the Bastar, the Singhbum, and the Bundelkhand as well as the Aravalli cratons. So this will give you an outline about the different type of cratons and mobile belts in India. And if you want to know more, you can go through this book, that is Geology of India by M. Ramakrishnan and R. Vaidyanathan. We will try to do a detailed video that will cover these all these cratons and mobile belt sooner. And if you have any other questions, just mention it in the comment section. We will try to explain it in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.